A question that is often asked is, what is the meaning of a 10% gradient in a treadmill test? Usually, in the first stage of Bruce protocol of treadmill test, there is a 10% gradient in stage 1. That means if the treadmill length is 150 centimeters, the front end is elevated about 15 centimeter from the ground, so that this produces a slope. So 15 centimeter elevation for a 150 centimeter treadmill will give a 10% gradient. This is what happens in stage 1 of standard Bruce protocol. In modified Bruce protocol, there is no gradient in stage 1, so that the treadmill will be horizontal. In stage 2, 5% gradient is given, and stage 3, there is 10% gradient. So stage 3 of modified Bruce protocol will correspond to stage 1 of standard Bruce protocol. From that onwards, every stage in either standard Bruce protocol or modified Bruce protocol gets an increment in gradient of 2%. So stage 2 in standard Bruce protocol will have 12% gradient. The importance of gradient is that as the gradient increases, the person is walking uphill. So for the same level of speed, a gradient of 0 and gradient of 10% is compared. This obviously will have more exertion. That is why in modified Bruce protocol, which is meant for less fit persons, the first stage is with 0% gradient. Earlier, this was even called as stage 0, and second stage of modified Bruce protocol was called as stage half, and the current stage 3 of modified Bruce protocol was called as stage 1. But then the confusion was there and the terminology has been changed, so that stage 3 of modified Bruce protocol will be now equivalent to stage 1 of standard Bruce protocol. So this is the concept of gradient, meant to give increased exertion at the same treadmill speed.